Open your browser and type .NET Framework Download. You'll be directed to the official website where you'll find all available versions. Download the latest version or choose the specific version indicated by the error message. After downloading, simply follow the installation steps that appear on screen. Since I already have the application installed, it may look a bit different on my end, but the process is straightforward. Hopefully, this will resolve the issue for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.